Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company.
I thought you were Melvin. No, I'm Pablo today. Wait, you changed names on a daily? No,
Welcome.
I'm Pablo.
Welcome back to DIY Dave and Company. I don't know what to say about my boys anymore. They don't know who they are.
I know who I
What are you,
am.
like playing ninja or something?
I'm Pablo.
Pablo the Ninja?
The Christmas Ninja. Are you dumb? Pablo is a Christmas Ninja.
Okay. So anyway, speaking of Christmas, we have been working our way through the Lego City Advent Calendar. I'll get it all out here in a minute. We're on day 11, I believe. And day 11 happens to be Nick's day. So, we'll be right back. Calm down, calm down. He's anxious. He can't wait. So, here we go. Wow, he finds those in a hurry. Hey, he gets the helicopter.
The helicopter! Helicopter. Helicopter.
Can he open the package?
Helicopter.
When you get through, the helicopter lands over here on the helipad.
Just throw it down there. Are those guns or landing? Those are not guns. Those look like snowball launchers. They forcefully spread Christmas cheer. I don't want that. They spread Christmas cheer, whether they want it or not.
This could be interesting. So how's it going over there? Are you done yet?
Hat's so powerful it bends
It's binoculars for a little bitty person.
Wait, Doc Ock? Doc Ock, is that you? You're supposed to build them.
This is pretty cool, guys, because you know, when we get through, we've got all these neat toys to play with. Aren't y'all excited about playing with the Legos?
Agreed.
Come on, you can do it. I know it's difficult, but I have faith in you. Just think Christmas is in 13 more days? But sadly for you guys, I happen to know you ain't getting anything because you've been naughty. I've been good though. Because I'm always good.
That looks about right.
Does it work? Can it fly?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Throw it against them!
Whoa, dude, that's really cool looking.
What have you done?
Sorry, the helicopter crashed. Well, I guess that's the end of the helicopter. And anyone driving it, or flying it, piloting it, and
'Twas Betty.
Betty was... Shh.
Betty tossed it off a cliff. And then her heart gave out. And she fell off the cliff as well.
If she hadn't been trying to ride the
And
helicopter...
landed on Sam Griddled, whose heart then gave out.
If she hadn't been trying to ride the helicopter, I think everybody would have been okay. Anyway, we are done with day 11. Was this 11? This was 11.
Where's the Christmas gun?
Christmas gun. There's not supposed to be a Christmas gun.
It spreads Christmas cheer whether they want it or not.
Oh my goodness. My goodness. Okay, somebody broke something.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
Oh, already in the repair shop. Come back tomorrow to see if we actually get this helicopter to working. In the meantime, be sure that you give us a big thumbs up if you like this video. Make comments, share, and subscribe. We really appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you tomorrow right here on DIY Dave & Company. Oh, by the way, tomorrow's my day.